Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Chanu SK Infotech. So many people saying that SAP ABAP is going to be dead and SAP AI technology will replace the ABAP programs. And these are all confusions are going in the students and among the working professionals. That's the reason I'm just making a video to clarify whether AI technology is replacement of ABAP course or ABAP programmers. And also I just give you insights about what are the essential skills that we have to learn and in addition to SAP ABAP course. Okay. So just sharing the slide, everyone get to know. So what are the basic skills that we need to acquire? The ABAPers who are working in the companies just to learn these skills, and the newbies who want to switch to SAP ABAP course, definitely you have to just good grip on these areas like CDS views and RAP and OData basics. So RAP is nothing but RESTful ABAP programming. And earlier we have classic ABAP programs are there that are going to be replaced with modern technology. That's the reason everyone need to learn these areas and learn the basic SAP BTP. So BTP technology is very crucial nowadays. ABAPers should learn about this BTP technology course as well. And the students also should know about what is BTP and how that is very crucial for our business. These are very essential. And here, what are the areas that we have to learn SAP BTP? So what is BTP and how it is connected to SAP S4HANA and how the side-by-slide extensions will happen. These are all things you have to learn. And if you have ABAP with BTP knowledge, definitely you will get good jobs in the future. And learn the Fury basic apps. Just understand the essentials to connect your backend work to the modern front end. And SAP Fury is the modern SAP user interface. So you don't need deep UI technology, UI5 skills, but you just know about the basic areas, how the base Fury apps will be connected to SAP S4HANA and how the data flow will happen. These are all things you should know. And in the Fury apps, you have to learn like how Fury works and how backend connects to the Fury and basic things like CDS views and learn the APIs and integration areas. And don't focus on the classic reports and this is going to be expired. That's the reason just don't focus on these areas and don't focus on the smart forms. And the old ABAP programs are going to be replaced with AI technology. That's the reason you just don't focus on these areas. So my simple advice is learn modern ABAP with cloud basics. So you are in safe mode. Okay, you will get jobs in future also. So if you study 1 or 2 hours daily for 6 months, you can upgrade yourself. You tell me your experience level. I can give you the more specific plan for you. So can AI replace the ABAP developers? No. My answer is no. What AI can do? So AI can generate the simple code, write test cases, help with the debugging, create documentation, suggest performance and improvements. And what AI cannot do? Understand the complex business process deeply and talk to the clients, gather requirement, design full system architecture, make risk decision during the migration, handle production issues responsible. These are the areas AI cannot replace. That's the reason ABAP work is there and no worry, no panic. And so there is no replacement ABAP with AI technology. So AI technology can do only this. Some of the important tools that we have to learn, SAP Joule is very, very important. And so SAP Joule is very important. Just focus on these areas. So what will actually happen? So low skilled workers won't get any job and you have to get modern technology and you learn modern technology potential areas like the Fury apps, connectivity with SAP S4HANA and integration areas and rise of objects related stuff. Okay. And only skillful persons will get job in 2026. So this is all about myths, SAP, AI technology with replacement of ABAP or ABAP programs. and so SAP is going to be dead. These are all myths, and there is no worries, no panic. So working professionals definitely get good jobs if you focus on these areas. Thank you very much for your support. This is Chani SK. We will get back once again. See you soon.